everyone, we're going to complete each statement with less than, greater than, or equal based off our Hinge theorem and the converse of the Hinge theorem. So the converse mainly deals with trying to find angle measurements, and the Hinge theorem itself has to do with the angles itself. So basically, we have these two sides are congruent, and we know that this side, ST, is congruent to itself based off the reflexive property of congruence. Therefore, since we have these included angles here, we look at this side and the side opposite this side. And the smaller angle gets the smaller side. So since 95 is smaller than 98 degrees, then MS is the smaller side and LS is the larger side. So MS is smaller than LS. And for 6, we have this side is congruent to itself. So we have this angle and this angle here. And we're going to look at the opposite sides here. So look at the opposite sides. This is your included angles. Since this side is smaller than this side, it means measure of angle 2 is smaller. So measure of angle 2 is smaller than the measure of angle 1, because the side across from it is also smaller. So that's your converse theorem here. So measure of angle 1, if you read it this way, is actually greater than the measure of angle 2. And we do the same thing here. This is a reflexive property. Looks a lot like this one. These two sides are congruent, and this side is congruent to itself. So 28 degrees is smaller than 31 degrees, so the side opposite, ET, is smaller than the side opposite of this one, which is GT. So that's smaller. And then we got another one, 12 and 13. So this is congruent to itself, and these are your included angles. So since 13 is bigger than 12, that means measure of angle 2 is greater than the measure of angle 1. Therefore, measure of angle 1 is smaller than the measure of angle 2 if you read it this way. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.